Hey, hello everyone. So welcome to the pricing page designing chapter. So last chapter we are designing this service page. So now I want to design the pricing page like this one front of you. So this page I already designed it before. So now I want to design it front of you. So let's get started. So this website db2.swapjs.com and this site project.swapjs.com. So this site is test purpose and this site is my right now project that I fully designed front of you. So I just go simply from here pricing and now simply enable the visual builder from the pricing page as well. Okay, so DB builder is ready to work, so I just start building. Alright, so now let's see how the pricing page hero will be. So you can see the pricing page hero look like this one. So before we are design the hero section like this one on service page, so I just simply go from here service page and just copy the hero from service page as well. So I just simply enable the visual builder from the service page and simply copy the section. Okay, and simply paste the section as well. So now I no need this section, so I simply delete this section and now I have to change the text. So copy and simply go the module setting from here and simply paste the title as well. Okay, so now I have to copy the body text, so I just simply copy and simply paste in here. Alright, so now you can see the button name is get a free estimate, so I have to also change the button name in here. Get a free estimate. Okay, so now I have to change the background, so I just go the section setting and from here background image, and now I have to change the background, so I just simply upload this background. So go site file, yeah, this one. Okay, simply open and upload an image. Okay, it's successfully done, so I simply save and let's see which section we are designing in next. So go there and see this one. So we are creating this type of section in before in our home page, so I just again close this one and also trying to go our home page and enable the visual builder from home page, and I want to copy this section as well. So go home page and from here, yeah, this section, so I simply hover on the section and simply copy the section and simply paste as a new section. Okay, so I no need this section, so simply delete. So now I have to change the image, so I just simply click here, go module setting and from here image, upload file, and from here simply change this image and upload an image. Okay, the image is successfully changed, so simply save and let's see. Yeah, it's almost done. So now I no need this text and this module, so I simply click here and simply delete the all text from here. Okay, so now I have to delete this section. Okay, all done. So now I have to create a form, the contact form. So simply go there and new section with a single row and simply write here contact form. Okay, the contact form is ready. So now I have to customize it like this one. So first is first name, last name. Okay, so right now is just name, so first name and it will be last name. Okay, again back, then another field will be street address. Okay, so I simply create a new field and right here is street address and the field ID just right here is street, and back, and I have to simply move the street address on name 2. Okay, and also I have to change the ID is last name. Okay, come back and let's see, and another one will be email address and phone. So email is already has, so I just duplicate this one and simply go setting, and from here right here phone, also right here phone. So now I need another one for how often do you need cleaning, this one. So again come back. Okay, so I need another new field, so I just simply create another field, and the title will be how often do you need cleaning, and I write the field ID, suppose timing, and from here field option, and I need the drop down, so I just simply click from here, select drop down, and now I have to create options. So the first option is, you can see one time weekly, be monthly and monthly, so I simply write here one time, and another one weekly, another one be monthly, and another one monthly. Alright, so simply save and let's see. Yeah, you can see it's successfully created. So now I have to place it above of this message box, so I simply drag and put the timing to above the message box, and let's see, and another one, it will be like this one, how many stories. So I simply go there, and I have to now create another one field, so the field name will be how many stories. Okay, and the field ID is simply right here, stories, and also this one will be like drop down, you can see like 1 2 3 4. So again go field option, from here select drop down. Okay, simply right here 1 2 3 and 4. Alright, so I know this one. Again come back. Now you can see the story, so I have to place it above the message, so simply put here. So now you can see it's very big, so I have to change the width. So go story settings, and from here design layout, so I just simply, I no need the make full width, you can see this is full width, so I simply click here. You can see it's half of full width. Okay, again back. So now I just duplicate the story, and I need another one, how many rooms. So I simply come here and simply go setting, and from here I just simply write the field is rooms, and title will be how many rooms. Okay, so now again I have to need the drop down option, so again go field option, and from here select background. It's automatically selected because we are duplicated, so no need to do something. So again come back and let's see, and I need another one, how many bathrooms. Okay, so again I duplicate the room 2 times. Okay, so the first room will be how many bathrooms. Alright, so I simply change the ID to bathrooms, and also the bathrooms will has a drop down, so I no need to make again drop down because we are duplicate this one, so that it's automatically the drop down is appearing here. So let's go with another one, this will be this one. So go setting, and the field name will be approximate square feet you need to clean. So I simply change the title and the field, so I just change the field name as well. Okay, so you can see this field is not drop down menu, so I have to change this one. So go field setting, and from here select the input field. Okay, and again back, and let's see. Yeah, almost done. So now I have to make some change, like you can see there has a no captcha, so I just again back to contact from setting, and from here spam protection. Okay, and simply disable the basic captcha. Alright, so now I have to design this button like this one. So submit for a free quote. So again go text, and from here submit button. The button name will be submit for a free quota. So I simply paste the button name in here. So now I have to design it like this one. Okay, so I go again design button, and from here I have to enable the button for custom style. Okay, and you can, after enable this thing, you can see many function for change the button styling. So first I just simply change the button text size will be 18 pixel. Okay, the color will be white. It's right now is was blue. So when I click here white, you can see everything is gone because the background color is also white. Okay, so now I have to change the background color. So I have to change this color. So again I run my Pixie software and simply copy the background color. So Ctrl+C, and simply I have to paste the background color in here. Okay, and let's see, you can see the background color is successfully changed. So now I need the button make it more bolder like this one. So I have to need some border. So I just write here 10 pixel. Okay, so now also I need a border color. So I just use the same color, that color we are used as a background color of this button. Okay, and let's see, yeah, it's done. So now you can see another one. The button has a no border radius, is a 4 corner. So I have to change the border radius from here, and you can see in here border radius. So I simply make it 0, and let's see, yeah, the border is gone. So I simply save. Yeah, we are successfully created this section, and let's see any issue is finding or not. So this one, yeah, it's almost similar. So now let's design another section like this one. So we are creating this title in before, so I just simply copy the title from here. So simply copy this title. So I just simply copy this module. So now I need another new section with 1 row. Okay, so simply click here, regular, okay, with 1 row. So now I need the text module. So I know it, so I just simply paste the module that we are copied from upper module. Okay, so now I have to align menu it like this one. So go module setting, and from here first I just make it middle. Okay, so let's see, and now I have to change the title. So simply copy the title and paste over here. Also I have to make it for middle side. So now I need this text, so I simply copy this text and simply paste here. So I need a one more space. Okay, so now I have to make it again on middle, and let's see, yeah, almost done. So now maybe I need to change the line height. So again go design, and from here text, and let's see there has any, yeah, big line height. So I just make it 1.2 em. Yeah, it's okay. So I simply save, and let's see, yeah, it's almost done. So now let's design this section. So also you have created the pricing table before on our service page. So again I go service page. Okay, and also I just copy this module for first working. So I simply enable the visual builder on service page, and from here I just going to copy this module. So simply copy module, and from here I need 3 row. Okay, so again create a new section, regular with 3 row. Okay, so now I need to paste the module in here, paste module, also need another one, so paste module, so I need another one, paste module. Okay, so now I need another one, so I just simply duplicate this section. Okay, it's okay. So now I have to change it like this one. So the first one, the title will be regular housekeeping. So I simply copy this one and simply go the first one, module setting, and from here change the title. Okay, and the price will be 200. Okay, and the color will be the same color. No, it's a more lighter. So again I just open my Pixie for picking the color. So let's see which color. Yeah, this color. So Ctrl Alt C to copy this color, and from here go design and title text to find out the title text color. Yeah, this one. So simply go there, simply paste, and let's see. Yeah, the color is changed. So now I have to change the button color. So go button, and from here I have to enable the use custom style for this button, and from here I need to change the button background color. So I simply paste the color, and let's see. Yeah, the color is also changed. So now I have to also change the border color as well. Okay, change the color, and let's see. Yeah, it's done. So now let's design another one. Yeah, this one. So simply go the second module, and from here I have to put, I think this one and this one is similar, so I no need to design this one. So let's edit third one. So I simply copy the title text. Okay, and go the third one setting, and from here simply paste the title text. Alright, and the price will be 120. So simply write here 120. Okay, so now I need also change the color. So simply copy again, run the Pixie software for picking the color. Ctrl Alt C to pick this color, and go design, and from here button. Okay, and enable the custom styling button, and from here I have to change the button text color. So I simply change the color. So now I have to design the button background color. So simply come here and click here and simply paste the background color. So now I need to change the button border color as well. So simply paste the border color, and let's see. Yeah, it's not work because we are somehow it's changed. So it's right now it's okay. Okay, simply save, and let's doing with same thing with the fourth one. So this one, so go module setting, and from here, so first I have to copy this color. So again, so hope you guys will understand how to you can change everything. So it's a very time consuming matter, so I just make it fast. Alright, we are successfully changed everything like this one. So now let's trying to design this section. So I think we are designing this section is before. So let's on our home page. So let's go our home page, and let's see we are designing this section or not. Alright, yeah, this section we are designing before. So I simply enable the visual builder from our home page, and now I just simply copy this section. So simply come here, okay, and simply copy this section and simply paste here, and let's see. Okay, it's done. So now let's see another section is this one. So again I just copy the section from our home page. Yeah, this section. So I copy this section and simply paste here. Okay, and you can see one problem, the background color. So don't panic about that. So I have to change the background color. So go slide setting, and from here the background color. So now I have to put a background color and simply delete this color. Alright, it's done. So now I have to make it for more 1 2 3 4. Okay, it's done. So hope you guys will understand how I designed the pricing page. You can see this page and this page is very similar. So next chapter we will design the contact page, then we will design the blog page. So thanks for watching. See you with you in next chapter.